Welcome to this series of compilations of tree work fails. Tree work often goes wrong. Sometimes people are stupid, unaware of the situation and risks, untrained, reckless, or just plain unlucky. Sometimes the tree itself fails. Whatever the reason, watch carefully and learn from it so you don't make the same mistakes or hire a professional. I hope this video will help raise awareness and therefore reduce accidents in this dangerous profession. If you are the original owner of a video and would like credit for it, please email me at info@primarygarden.nl.
Idiot! All these horses in my car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash, put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I No.
Welcome to the jungle.
Oh shit.
I believe I can fly.
Ja, jetzt fahren wir heim.
Take a picture of it. It's going. Got her hand up. We can pull her down.
Yeah, hold on. Just hang tight. I'm gonna go down there and pull that limb a little bit, all right?
Probably need to sharpen my blade.
Am I going the wrong way?
Straight down.
That's awesome.
Look at that!
Oh, shit. Are you all right?
Ooh! It broke the. Oh my God!
mi bendeguz. Na apátának a háznak annyi!
Już nie musisz nam nic udowadniać. Teraz jak już wlazłem. Trygało się, bo...
Thanks for watching and be safe. See you next time.